I'm seeing homeownership vary less by job title alone and more by local affordability, with less expensive markets opening the door to a wider mix of workers.
More.